Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Goa's popular chicken cafreal. So I've started by making the masala. For that I've taken some coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies, ginger, garlic, cumin seeds, cloves, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, turmeric powder, sugar, Goan toddy vinegar and water. Grind it into a fine paste. I've used 2 chicken leg pieces with thigh on which I put the gashes. You start by applying salt, ginger garlic paste, Goan toddy vinegar and half of the Cafreal Masala. Nicely apply the masala all over the thigh pieces and keep it aside for around 60 minutes or even overnight. Once the chicken is nicely marinated, next you have to shallow fry it. For that, heat oil in a pan and add in the thigh pieces one by one. Cover the lid and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. You can turn the chicken on the other side and cook for more 10 minutes till the chicken is almost 90% cooked. When you're frying the chicken, make sure the heat is not too high, it should be low to medium so that the chicken doesn't burn. Once the chicken is nicely cooked on both the sides and has that light golden color, add the remaining masala and cook for around few minutes till the masala is reduced in quantity and has that olive green color and it coats the chicken nicely. If you prefer, you can add little dark rum like Old Monk and do the flambe process, which will give some additional flavor to this dish, but it is totally optional, you can skip it. Check for salt. If you need some extra salt, you can add at this stage and mix it well. You can have this with fried potatoes, salad, or just as a starter or as a main course as well. It all depends on your preference.